So located in the Munmorah State Conservation area where you can camp, fish, surf, and there's also plenty of walks you can do as well. So here we are at Snapper Point. Problem is with this area, it's rock fisho's mecca, and inexperienced fishers get caught out all the time and can easily lose their lives. It's known as the death stretch, where families have been swept off at once. 2011, a family of 5 was swept off, and 3 locals all at once. So as you walk out to Snapper Point, it warns you of how dangerous the surf can be, and there's a memorial there to prove it, along with several lifebuoys in place. Yeah, so many who get washed off aren't that experienced, and it's been noted that they are inexperienced fishers, and they fish the wrong tide and conditions, getting simple things wrong such as fishing alone or turning their backs to the surf, taking risks to get into a position. No, bugger that. No fish is worth your life. The cave also looks like a tempting adventure, but don't go there. It's a fairly easy way to get in. You can swim in there pretty easily, but getting out, that's where you get into trouble.